Hey everybody, it's the dog boy howling at you. Ow! And as you can see today, I've got a little bit of the 5 o'clock shadow. Okay, maybe it's a 5-day shadow. Who's counting? But I need to talk to you about some shave gel. So today I'm going to be talking about Gillette Fusion Hydrogel. It's ultra sensitive, which means that it makes the shave go smoother, supposedly. You have seen me use this stuff when I was reviewing a razor before, but let's first of all show you what it looks like. It's just this blue gel when it first comes out, and it comes out feeling cold, as if there was some liquid nitrogen or something in the can. It really does feel like it's almost ice. Now, I don't believe in showing you guys a product unless I can demonstrate it in most cases. So here I am in my living room. I'm shaving old style. I got the bowl full of water. And I'm using my video camera as my mirror, so this might get a little bit messy. I'm trying to keep the goatee today. But we're planning on going out to dinner tonight, so I need to look as spiffy as possible. So the first thing I noticed was how cool it feels when it goes on skin. I mean cold temperature, not cool as in the opposite of lame. So it really feels cool. It kind of numbs the skin up a little bit that way. Let's see here. And of course, it does make your shaving go a little bit more smoothly than regular foams. And I'm not noticing a lot of pulling or anything like that. But like I said, mainly what I'm feeling is the skin might be numbed up a little bit from where it goes on cold. It does foam up nicely. So what I'm looking at is that as opposed to some gels where it stays gel form, once you start rubbing it in, it does foam up quite big. It also stays foamy for longer than a lot of gels. So what I'm saying is if I get a phone call or something like that while I'm shaving, I can go talk on the phone for a few minutes and not have it all absorb in. So if you have to take your time shaving, it's a good one. Usually I don't take more than just a couple minutes. Because of the angles here, I'm going to have a little bit more trouble finishing up shaving, so I'm going to do that in the bathroom in a minute. But overall, it's a good product. It has aloe in it, so if you have an allergy to aloe, you might want to steer clear. But the only real problems I can find with it are the smell. You know how sometimes you have someone with the overwhelming aftershave smell? Well, if you're putting this on after the shower, you're going to have that. If you mix it with aftershave, you're going to have even more. So that's kind of annoying to me personally. I don't like too many fragrances added, especially with asthmatics in the family. So even though it helps with the sensitivity of skin, even though it helps with the overall staying foamy, I've got to downgrade this one because I go around smelling like a barbershop. You know, when they put tonic on you, I go around smelling like a barbershop all day. So the most I can give this one is 3 out of 5 paws. That's right, 3 out of 5 paws. If they had an unscented for sensitive skin, I might go a little bit more with that. I might give it a full 5-star rating. But until then, this one is a solid product, but just isn't for me. So until next time, do what you please and stay out of the fleas. This is the Dog Boy signing out. Ah!